Hello, members. I think now we can continue even as the rest will be joining us. Tutaendelea tu. So I just want to welcome those who've already joined. We have some of our members amongst us with our staff. And so we won't avoid to continue because of those some of those who dedicated their time to come and learn. Nawakaribisha sana Elkana, naona Abigail, karibu sana, and many others. So even as we continue, our major purpose today is to empower our members in terms of member education, in terms of trying to understand your circle as an investor, even as you understand what you can be able to benefit from the circle and how it runs, the performance of the circle, and some of the products that you can be able to be able to patronage for you to grow. So even as we start, I will be having my co-host Nelly. Nelly, kindly say hi. Nelly, I don't know if she's around, but he'll be coming in as we continue. Let me just continue even as she'll be joining us later as we continue. Uh, so as our members, we understand that you being an investor, you are here to understand about the performance of the circle. That is why it's very important for us to tell you how the circle is performing. Number one, even as you can see, our total asset as of last year was 1.3 million from 1.2, an increase of 14%. And even as you can be able to see that we were able to have our loan growth grow to 18%, the same as the same as equity to 24%, and co-capital increase of 37%. So the total revenue was also able to increase at 8%, which is very key to us, and it shows that the circle is in good hands. When you look at our loan book, what we've been able to lend to our members, you can see we have there 427 million. So, and when you look at our total assets, looking at our assets being 1.3 million, that shows that the circle is doing great in terms of liquidity. So our members should be able to invest more on what to our circle, so that they can be able to benefit more in terms of dividends every year. We understand that as members, we save to get loans, very affordable loans, and also at the same time be able to be paid dividends at the end of the year and interest on deposits. So I hope we know that as our business members. I know this webinar, the member education that we are doing now is for business members, and at the same time, individual members who are coming from individual organizations. So feel welcome, even as we continue to learn. Our major aim, we have a get member campaign going on. Of course, we had the previous one that we had, but we have a major one that is always ongoing, the standard one. And our major purpose is to enable our, maybe be able to recruit our family members, if you have business members, if you have diaspora members. So they're all welcome to the circle. So you as an individual who is already existing as a member, you are encouraged to be able to recruit more. And we have a standard referral bonus there to earn. You will earn 500 shillings for every member you bring. So we welcome our members to enable us reach our target of doubling our membership this year. So kindly, if you are a business person, encourage your fellow business people, and it also adds up to guarantorship in terms of the people that will be able to guarantee you. So make sure you come with your friends, come with your family members, come with your business partners, so that at least when it reaches your time, your guarantorship, it's easier for you to get a bigger loan. So we encourage you that you can also be able to take advantage of our earning the bonus that we give. Yeah. Another thing is that we encourage our members to be members for life. Like, you don't need to leave. Number one, most people opt to leave when they change employment. We are here to confirm to you that you can always retain your membership, because we have products for everyone. Hata kama umetoka employment, you're going to business, we still cater for you. Hata kama umetoka business, ukienda employment, you still cater for you, because we have various ways of how you can be able to save your money to the SACCO. We'll be able to tell you more about it when Nelly will be talking about FOSA. We have pay-bill, we have different types of ways of depositing money easy to the SACCO. So we encourage you that when you join the SACCO, encourage even the people that you'll be bringing in, that you can always remain in the SACCO, hata kama in retirement. We have products for retirees that a member is able to enjoy. So maybe I'll be able to also talk about this one was meant for Nelly, but I'll be able to talk about it. The smart saving seamless payments that we have. Maybe I'll leave it, that Nelly will also be able to talk about it. Let me just leave it. It's also, I just want to welcome her to continue talking about our FOSA. FOSA is a banking system that we have. Nelly, karibu. Nelly.
In progress.
Wow. Oh, sorry.
Good afternoon, members. So my name is Nelly, and I'm going to take you through FOSA. FOSA is where we offer the services just exactly as the bank, where we have the teller, we have you can get cash there, you can deposit money there, you can do everything that you can do at the bank. So I'll mention a few of the services that we have, and before I mention, having a FOSA, it means the SACCO is regulated by SASRA as a deposit-taking SACCO. That means it's allowed to operate the banking side of the SACCO. So it means you can channel your salary through your FOSA account. You can save money through the other savings account that are easily accessible. You can transact, you can use, you can walk into the FOSA and withdraw your money and deposit your money. You can use the mobile banking, you can use the ATM or the Visa card that we have. Now, to the services that we have, aside from the ones that I just mentioned, we have the standing orders where, as a member, as a business member, say you have a facility at the bank, you can put a standing order from your business account at FOSA, and we transfer the money to pay your facility at the bank, or to pay for your retirement scheme, say a pension scheme that you are saving for your retirement, or for things like say you are saving in another institution like the MMF, we can do that from FOSA. So we offer standing orders, that is the external standing orders and internal standing orders, where you are able to now save from your account to maybe another saving account that is within the circle that you have opened, or maybe to your child's account that is at FOSA, or to your other members' account. Maybe you want to pay for them alone, you can transfer within from member to member. We also offer RTGS and the EFTs. That means we can transfer funds from your account here at the circle and transfer it to somebody else's account at the bank. Maybe you are paying for, say you are buying a land and you want to pay someone who is in Absa, and you are paying huge amounts, maybe over 500,000. We are able to do that for you. You request for an EFT, and we are able to transfer the funds for you to the other person who is at the bank. We can also pay. We can also use pay amounts that are above 1 million. That means you will be requesting for RTGS. So RTGS are for the amounts that are above 1 million, but are within Kenya, to the banks that are within Kenya. For another one is SWIFT. SWIFT is where you are able to pay for your, say, school fees for your children who are not in Kenya. Lucy, let's go back to Alice. Let's go back to where there is RTGS and EFT. So for SWIFT, we offer SWIFT service. That is, you are able to do a transfer to accounts that are not within Kenya. Let's go back to where there is RTGS and EFT. So as Alice texts us back there, what I'm saying is that you can request us to pay for maybe a school fees for your child who is outside the country. If you are paying something that is that requires a huge amounts of money and it is outside the country, you don't have to take money to the bank. We can do it from your SACCO account to the overseas account. So, if you are purchasing something, if you are doing something that is outside the country, we can do that for you. So aside from the transfer to accounts that are within Kenya, you can also do transfers to accounts overseas. Alice, next. Another service is mobile banking. We offer you mobile banking service where you are able to operate or access your account through your mobile. That means you are able to check balance, you are able to check your loans, the statuses where they are, you are able to repay the loans through the mobile banking. You are able to transfer funds within the circle through mobile banking. You are able to deposit, withdraw to somebody else. Let's say you want to send the money to somebody else, not necessarily to your mobile number, and you want to send it to someone, that is also allowed. You are able to transfer funds to commercial banks. We have listed the number of commercial banks that we have. You are able to do that. And you are also able to check the mini statements, and you are able to borrow loans hapo tu kwa mobile banking app. Also, we have the USSD and we have the app. You can use, if you are not able to, you are using a phone that does not or internet enable, you can use the USSD, which is *882. If you are using a smartphone, you can download the mobile Pesatele app, and you are able to do everything easily and freely. The mobile app doesn't have the charges. There's no charges of logging in. So you just need to register on mobile banking and enable the mobile app using the USSD, and that's it. You are able to transact freely on mobile app. Let's go to the next service, Alice. Yeah, before I go to the portal, I wanted to talk about the ATM. We also have the ATM service where you are able to withdraw money anywhere. In any bank, you can use KCB, you can use Equity. However, we prefer to advise our members to use Cooperative Bank because they are the ones that we have partnered with, and the charges might be a little lower. But you can use it anywhere. If you are outside the country, you can use the Visa card anywhere. You can use it in the supermarkets. You can use it for fueling. You can use it everywhere to pay for Netflix. You can use it anywhere. So the card is also efficient. It allows you to access your account, your FOSTA account, wherever you are, within or without the country. Another thing is on the members portal. Members portal is not very new, but new. Most of our members have known it, and they are using it for several services. So members portal is a platform where you are able to manage and control your accounts. You are able to have a full view of your account. Another word for members portal is internet banking platform. So it's like internet banking platform where you are able to first, before you access it, you need to fill a form that I want to be allowed to access internet banking. So you fill the internet banking form. We will give you the logins, and when you log in through the members portal website, through the Telpo Sacco website, there's a part called members portal. So you click on that login, and now you are able to access all the services like you are able to view your statement, you are able to apply for loans, check the loan statements, check the status of the loan. If you applied for the loan, you will be able to see, after I applied for this loan, which state is it in. So it could be at appraisal status, it could be at approval state, it could be at disbursement, where now you get the funds. So you are able to track it closely, and it also gives you an opportunity to apply for loan online without filling in any paper. And also it's seamless because you don't have to ask your guarantors you don't have to print the form and take it to your guarantors. You just ask your guarantors to log into the members portal and guarantee you. They can also use the mobile banking to guarantee you, and you access you follow through the loan. There's also, you are able to also manage yourself. That is, I believe Alice have talked about the member recruitment. So you are able to recruit your friend at work, and you fill the form online, and we will see it, and we will proceed to process it until your member gets the member number, and they are able to deposit the registration fee and start their membership journey, just without filling any form, without walking into the circle, just wherever you are. So if you are in diaspora, if you are anywhere, any location in Kenya or outside, you are able to use the mobile, the members portal easily. You are able to update your details. That is, if you find out that you want to change the next of kin details, you are able to do that. You request, and we will see on our side, and we will be able to approve or reject the request, depending if it is agreeing with the SACCO's terms and conditions. So if you see that you have an image that you don't like it, you request for a change through the members portal. You can amend the deposits upwards. You'll be able to change your account the way you want it to look like, and you will be able to receive your request and attend to them. You are also able to track your accounts, your finances. So since you have the full view of the accounts, that is the statements and the loan statements, then it is easy for you to track monthly or daily or weekly, anytime that you want. You are able to do the funds transfer on the members portal. You are able to do to just check the summaries. Another thing, as I said, you are able to do the guarantorship. So if your colleague has requested you for guarantorship and you feel like you are not ready to accept that, you can reject, you can also accept, and also you can request to replace the guarantors. You can also view the number of loans that you have guaranteed for other people. You are able also to substitute the guarantorship, and also you are able to view the requests that the other people have requested. Another thing, as I said, you are able to update your personal information. We encourage you to check on the next of kin data and update whenever there is need to do so. So make sure that you at least have this members portal, because it helps you to have the bank itself on your hands or on your laptop or wherever you are able to do anything that you want to do and raise, if there are any concerns, you are able to raise them on the members portal or by calling us. So that is members portal. The next service is Alice. So we have another service is for you as a business person. It's called Lipa na Pesa Tele. This is a cashless mode of payment that enables you and your customers to make payments to your business for free. So it's a till-like service where your customers pay you to your business account at Telepost Sacco. So it means you will have opened a business account with us. You will fill a form, open a business account. We'll give you a sticker for your shop or your business. So you will stick it there so that the customers see how they are able to pay. We will show you the sticker after this, and that is how you will be receiving the payments for the services and products that you sell in your business. So it's open to all members. As long as you have a business and you feel like you want to put it in a place where you are able to track, then we have this business FOSA account that allows your business to receive money in your FOSA account. So this account is for all of us, all members. Can be you, can be me. It has no minimum balances like the ordinary savings that has the minimum balance. There is no ledger fees that are charged at the end of the month. And also the person who is paying you, your customers do not incur any charge as they pay you to that account, and you both receive alerts. The member who is the business owner receive the message that you have been paid for this, so and so has paid you for this, and the customer who is paying also receives the message that they have made the payment to you. That one is also free, and the account is linked to the members portal, so you are able to transact through the members portal. You are able to view, you are able to take control of your account. You are able to do to make sure that at least it's real time, and you are the payments that you are receiving, you are seeing them just immediately as they are done. So that account, you are able to do anything. As I said, you are able to pay loans, you are able to transfer, do internal and external transfers. You can transfer to bank, you can transfer to your mobile, you can transfer to your ordinary, you can pay loans. And also the best bit is that it allows you to get a biashara loan that will help you boost your business or support you grow your business. So the more you bank in this business account using the Lipa na Pesa Tele, the more you will be able to qualify for this biashara loan, which I believe we will talk about it down there where we'll be talking about loans. And so we have shown you how to register. As I said, you fill the form and we will give you the till number, that is the business store number. And that way you will be able, as long as you are registered on mobile banking, you will be able to withdraw and do anything with the money that is being deposited or paid to your account. So this is the sticker that you will be issued with, that you will be able to stick to your business. It will have your customers will be able to pay you by dialing the star 882 and 532 hash. That way, it will be able to pay directly to your business, as you will give them the store number that will be indicated down there. So once they input the store number, they will be able to pay it, the money direct to your accounts. Alternatively, they can use the pay bill, although the pay bill now they will incur some charge. The pay bill number and the account number will be the store number. Yeah, so let's take note of that and also ask questions if you will have any. Next service, Lucy, Alice.
Yes, Nelly, thank you for that. Let me just take you through we have an insurance called CIC Corp Care that is coming from a CIC insurance company. This is meant for SACCOs, and it's a very affordable one, especially for our business people and retirees who don't access insurance from their organizations. So it has it allows maximum joining age to be 70 years. And it's available for individuals and families, as you can see. Minimum additional premium for families with more than 6 dependents. Sorry about that. I'm trying to get to the premiums. Yes. Yeah, the premiums are as follows. We have option 1, whereby a member is required to pay 7,500 per year. Then you are able to access, it's normally maternity, outpatient, inpatient, na kuna optical na kuna dental. So option 1 is 7,500, but one is able to, this is just for one person. If you add maybe a spouse, you pay 10,362. If you add a child, 6,742. Every member you add up to 6, you'll be able to, if you have 6 dependents, you'll have to pay 26,700. And this option 1, it has also what you are able to benefit from. That is, this one is normally, I don't know if it's indicated. It's not indicated, but I'll be able also to tell you the benefits for option 1, option 2, and 3. Option 2, as you can see, you pay 8,500, and you are able to, if you add more of the dependents, then you are able to add more money. But still, if you can be able to compare with other insurance companies, you'll realize that this one is very affordable. So that is why it's majorly meant for only SACCO members. So I'm trying to get the details so that I be sure of what I'm saying. And also option 3, as you can see there. Okay, the benefit for option 1 is 100,000 for inpatient. Then outpatient is 30,000. Then you are able to get maternity of 15,000, family of 5,000, that is dental, optic of 5,000. And last expense of 50,000, that is for option 1. Option 2, whereby you are allowed to pay 8,500 per year as premium, you'll be able to get 200K as inpatient, 40,000 as outpatient, then 20,000 maternity, na hizo zingine the same, 5,500 for optical and dental. Then option 3, you are able to pay 9,500 for one person. Benefits are 300,000 inpatient, outpatient is 50,000, maternity 25,000, then dental and optical is 7,500 each. So you can see it's very affordable. You just pay. We have a loan attached to it, whereby we'll be able to talk about it later. So that if you are not able to pay your premium, the SACCO is able to give you a loan to pay for it. So we'll only pay, there's no cash benefit on the loan. So at least you'll be able to benefit from that. Back to you, Nelly, for our savings products.
Okay, thank you, Alice. So we continue with the services that we still offer at Telepo Sacco, more so at first. So we have the long-term savings schemes. We have the fixed deposit, where if you have a lump sum amount that you are not intending to invest them soon, you can be able to save in these accounts, and you get an interest that is very competitive. So if you have maybe a lump sum pension that you have received from somewhere, you have sold an asset, we are ready to receive that cash and safeguard it for you, as it earns you a good interest. So the interest rates are shown on the website. So after this, maybe you will be able to visit our website and explore more about the fixed deposit. We have the fixed deposit is fixed for a minimum of 3 months or 6 months or 12 months. So you can choose any of the options depending with how soon you would need the money to use, or depending with your needs. We also issue the certificate once the money is deposited, and the instructions that you give us in case you want the money to just be giving you interest and sustain you for maybe a longer period. We'll just fill the form and indicate that every time after every 3 months, roll out the interest to my account and refix the principal, or refix interest and principal, or terminate all the principal and interest to my FOSA account. That one we will do according to your request. And also it's an automated service, so it can happen on Sundays, depending with the date of maturity. So aside from the fixed deposit, actually, before I go to the call deposit, we have for the fixed deposit, the minimum you can save is 50,000. So you can save a minimum of 50, but there is no maximum. You can save as much as you have in that account and get the interest that is currently available according to the Telepo Sacco rates. There's a call deposit where now you are able to save, and you can add the savings anytime you want. The fixed deposit, when you fix it, it's fixed. But the call deposit, when you save, you are able to add money. So fixed deposit, a call deposit, you can save a minimum of 10,000 and wait for a period of 14 days. That is when it will be able to mature and be able to earn interest. So this one earns interest on daily basis. You can save there and withdraw anytime that you want. So from the fixed deposit rate schedule, you will be able to see the rates for the call deposits. Let's go back, Lucy, to Pension Akiba. So another long-term saving account is a Pension Akiba. Most of all of us, we know that one day we will not be able to work. We will not have the muscle, the energy that we have right now. And we developed a product that is called Pension Akiba that will be able to help you prepare for your retirement. It's somehow an annuity account where you save for your retirement. So this money, while you are working, while you're doing your business, put something aside towards your the age that you will not be able to have the energy that we have at the moment. So you save at least a minimum of 1,000 to this account every month, and it's not withdrawable until you are 55 years. That is when you are going to retire. Once you retire, before you retire, this money will be earning you 8% interest annually. And once you retire, we can pay you a third of it, and the rest, the 2/3, will be paid monthly as your pension. There are employers who don't save for their staff the pension that normally some companies do. And that is why we have this account for you, so that you can prepare for your future. So we pay you the remaining amount for at least 10 years or as desired. But now at this point, you will be able to have something like the same way you used to have salary. Now on this other side, you have at least something monthly that doesn't look like salary, but it is something that keeps you going throughout your later years. Another one is Mdosi Junior. Mdosi Junior is an account that is meant for children. So it's for children that are below 18 years. As parents, as parents or guardians, you open this account for your children so that they are able to save, and also you are able to save and prepare them as early as they are to know the financial knowledge, to have the financial knowledge. They understand that there is something called savings while they are still young. They need to know as young as they are born. Once they are born, you need to have this account for them and put something for them, so that also you don't whenever their needs arises, you don't rush everywhere looking for funds, yet you had the opportunity of opening the junior account and putting them at least a minimum of 500 on a monthly basis. And once the schools are opened, you have somewhere to run to and get their school fees from. So you can open as many accounts as possible. If you have 5 children, you can open for each and every one of them their account and ask us from your salary or from your business account. Take 500 from my account and pay for child 1, child 2, 3, and 4. And we will do so and make sure that you don't struggle whenever the children's needs arises. So this account, for you to earn interest, because it earns you also an interest. So it has to, you will have to have saved up to at least 5,000. That is when you will be able to earn interest, and again you will be able to get the Dino Bank that is shown there. This account also, the interest that you are earning is 6.5%, which we just adjusted it from 4% to 6.5%. Another thing is this account is not withdrawable, so it gives you the discipline of saving the money. So you withdraw 3 times in a year. We wanted to put it that way so that you are able to get the school fees every January, every May, and every September or October, whenever the schools open, when we are in the normal calendar schedule. The account also earns your children the fun day, that is once a year. We just did the one for this year the other day in August. And also you are able to request for free bankers check that will write to your school. This account can also be converted to now the normal account, sasa ya kama ya normal member, once the child is 18 years and above. Another account that we have is the Jibambe savings account. Jibambe savings account is an account that helps you plan for your vacation. So we want our members, and we would love our members to at least enjoy themselves. And we have developed this product for you, that you put something aside every month as you prepare for your Christmas holidays with your families or your mid-year holidays. So put those savings on this account, and we will be able to also give you a loan that is 2 times what you have saved. Whenever you feel like the amount that you have saved is not enough, we can give you the Jibambe loan. So the account also must have a minimum saving of 5,000 to earn interest, and it earns, the interest rate is 5.5%, up from 4% as well. You can save a minimum of 500 shillings, and you enjoy yourself and iambie mwili pole. Another account is Wezesha account. A Wezesha account is where you have maybe a business or a salary, and you do not have anywhere to save. So this account is very good for you. It has the highest interest, 37% per annum, and it gives you also the discipline of saving. We allow you to withdraw from that account 4 times in a year. it has to have 5,000 for it to earn interest again. And for this account to run monthly, you will have to deposit 1,000 at least monthly, and save just for you and to earn interest on it, and also maybe to plan for something that maybe you would want to do in the near future. So you put into this account as you speculate, maybe you will need to buy a cow, or you will need to pay for school fees for yourself as a parent, then this is the account for you. Alice? We have ESF, that is Education Savings Scheme. This one is for also us as the account holders. It's an account that is helps our members to save maybe for their school fees for themselves, or the school fees for their children. Aside from the Dosi Junior, you can have them the Education Savings Scheme that earns you. Alice, you will be able to edit the interest. The interest also went up. The interest on ESS is currently at 6%, and you are able to get the ESS loan of 4 times. You are also able to save a minimum of 500, as I said, and this one is also withdrawable once you issue a notice of 1 month. We have also Chama. If you have a group of your friends or colleagues, you can, if you are a minimum of 5 or more, you qualify to open this Chama savings account, which also earns interest at 6%. We will be able to, we just changed the interest the other day, and we will be able to edit that. The interest also is at 6%, and the minimum to earn interest for this Chama now, that is a pool of members, is 50,000, and the share capital for this account is 30,000. You will also be allocated with a mwalimu, a relationship officer that will be visiting the groups, the chamas, when every time you have the chama, and updating you on the SACCO developments and also on your accounts. We have the Wezesha. I talked about the Wezesha account, and I think maybe we can talk about the Wezesha loan here, where we have the Wezesha loan is not related to Wezesha account per se, but it's a new product, a Wezesha loan, that will be able to cater for our members' needs for at least, they will be repaid for at least a period of 9 months after getting 150,000. And you just have to bring your salary here. For business people, there are other several products that we'll be able to see. Alice? Next. So we go to jump into loan products. Let's start with the products that are available for all of us as business people and as members of the SACCO. Okay. Okay. So we have the long-term loans. We have the normal loan that goes up to 36 months. We have the Jijenge loan that goes up to 60 months. We have the Balozi loan for people who are in diaspora and they need loans. We have the diaspora loan, that is Balozi loan, and it goes up to 5 million. That is 4 times your savings. And the maximum repayment period is 60 months. That is 5 years, the same as Jijenge. Super loan is a maximum of 48 months, and you can take a minimum of 300,000 and a maximum of 3 times your deposits. So those are some of the long-term products. We also have Fanikisha. Fanikisha is for members who are channeling their salaries through FOSA. So if you haven't channeled your salary through FOSA, then you can channel and get Fanikisha. So these products are on our flyers, which we can share on request with our members, and you will be able to see the details. Otherwise, we have several long-term products that will be able to help you with your long-term needs. Next is on the short-term loans, we have Reloaded Plus. Reloaded Plus is available on paper. If you fill a paper, if you fill you request on the members portal, if you request on a mobile phone, the *882 or the app, you are able to get the Reloaded Plus up to 150,000 and repay within 12 months. We have the Jibambe loan. I talked about it. If you have the Jibambe savings, then you qualify for Jibambe loan of up to 2 times your Jibambe loan savings. We have the Mtele Boost. This is the account that helps you as a new member or as an existing member boost your share capital. So you get a maximum of 50,000. 25% goes to you, 25,000 goes to your share capital, and 25,000 goes to your FOSA account. So you take the 50% of what you applied for, just to boost your share capital. And I believe we talked about the benefits of having the share capital high is you will get at least a higher dividend in return. And also loans, you are not limited to any loans. On salary advance, this is a product that is for people who are channeling salary. You are able to get up to 75% of your net and pay within 6 months, and you can take up to a maximum of 300,000. Another one is the asset finance. Asset finance is one of another long-term loan that you are able to take up to 5 million, maybe to buy a land, to buy a house, to buy a car. You will qualify for this loan for up to 80%. The SACCO finances that asset. Say it's a car, so the SACCO finances up to 80% of it. And if it is a land, it also finances 80%. So it means the customer has to pay for the 20%. For you to qualify for this product, you will have to be a member for the SACCO for at least 6 months and have at least contributed savings that will be 4 times. You will be given at least 4 times. 4 times your deposits to qualify. Let's say if you have 500,000, so you will qualify for 2.2 million. So let's also engage and learn more about that product. We are available after this, and we will hang around to answer queries that you might have. We have the dividend advance. Dividend advance is we are taking our dividends in advance because as we saw, Apogee, that the SACCO is stable and it will be paying dividends yearly. So how it's calculated, we check your previous dividends. If you had 20,000, we will give you 60% of it, and that one will be paid from the following dividend. So you won't have to worry about the monthly repayments, but it will be recovered from the dividend once we pay next year. We have the Biashara loan, as I mentioned, as we were talking about the Lipa na Pesatela. So what you do is just open the business account, channel your business proceeds through the business account for at least 6 months. We will be able to now appraise you according to the transactions that are coming in and going out of your account. A maximum you can get is up to 1 million, and you will repay in 2 years. It is 3 times also the deposits that you have. So as you are getting your business proceeds in your business account, make sure you are also saving in your deposits account, so that when that time comes, we will be able to do the multiplier effect. You can also self-guarantee yourself with the deposit that you have up to 90%. So for you to take 1 million, you do the math. 90% of 1 million is how much? So you need to have a deposit of at least 1 million. For Afya Bora, as Alice has talked about it, it's about the COP Care, where it's about the member paying their premiums to the CIC. So whenever the members are not able to pay for the premiums from their pockets, then we offer you this product called Afya Bora loan that you take up to 60,000 and repay in 12 months with the lowest interest of 1%. So don't worry about it. Whenever you feel like you do not have enough cash, then we are here for you with that product. So something that I didn't mention is, as I finish, is that the savings that you have in the SACCO, be it in the ESS savings account, be it in the pension akiba, be it in the Wezesha, in the Mdosi Junior, in the Jibambe account, all can be used to guarantee these loans. Yeah, you can use to guarantee any of the loan that you take. Let me finish by these other products that are also new and some were there. So we have Okoa Loan. Okoa Loan is a product that is available for all of us, for salary earners, those who are channeled salary through FOSA. You get up to a maximum of 300,000 and repay in 15 months, or up to 3 times your deposit. So if the amount is if your deposits beyond 300,000, then your limit is 300,000. If your deposits are less than 100,000, then your amount to qualify is 3 times the deposit. For golden age, this is for the people at the golden ages, the pensions. So if you are about to retire or you have retired, then you qualify for the golden age advance loan, the jubilee loan, and the pension advance loan. So this, for the golden age advance, you get up to a maximum of 200,000. You repay in 2 years. And for the jubilee loan, you get up to a maximum of 300,000 and you repay in 2 years as well. We have the Chama loan. For those people whom we say they might have the Chamas, then we have a product for you that is up to 5 million and it is repaid in 3 years with the lowest interest, as you can see. And the members of the group can use also the savings to guarantee themselves on other loans, and also they can guarantee the Chama loan as the Chama members. So you need to be, maybe you can be a member of the circle to be able to guarantee the Chama with the loan that you are taking. We also accept the security, that is the collaterals and the logbook and maybe the title deed. Those are, we accept those for all the other long-term loans. So if you are taking a loan that is above 1.5 million, then you'll be able to provide us with additional security aside from guarantors. That is the title deed or the logbook. We will do the valuation and everything else. Alice?
Thank you so much, Nelly, for that. I know maybe you're wondering, these so many loans, but yeah, of course, we are telling you so that at least you can be able to choose, even as you act as ambassadors of our circle, as you recruit your relatives. I know some of you might be having relatives who are working or even friends. So we have a package for everyone. So like you've seen, we have for salaries, we have for business people, we have for diaspora people. So that's why we have all this package. Of course, our major purpose for our meeting today was, of course, to introduce ourselves, to enable you be able to learn more and also to be able to understand more from you. Maybe I'll want to allow this moment, if we have anyone who has a question, they can be able to interact or have a comment, even as we conclude. Any of our members who has a comment or a question? Karibuni sana, or you can even write in the comment section. Anyone with a question or a comment or anything that you would wish the circle to do for you in future? You can see we have Gabriel. Abigail. Anything that's, or even from the staff, anything that you want to add as we conclude? We'll be having more sessions of this, yes?
Yes, I'm Gabriel.
Karibu, Gabriel.
I just wanted your assistance here.
Yes.
I joined the circle by 2021 while working with the telecom company.
Sorry?
I joined this circle in 2021 while working with the telecom company.
Yes.
But the problem, I had no more knowledge.
Yeah, we appreciate you so much, Mr. Gabriel. So that is an encouragement to
And
our
how
new
the interests are
members.
being earned. Hello?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
we are
that
getting
made
you.
me not to be that much in saving until then. When recently I tried to continue and I was told to save for more than about 3 months to 6 months. Hello?
Yes.
I've been trying to save, and now I was down because I was trying how I can develop my business, but I'm stuck even now.
Mm,
I've wasted a lot of money where the online money lenders who have just wasted my time this year have not achieved anything because of that. And I've
yes.
had some good news here which can help.
Yeah, we are so glad. So we'll be able to reach out to you, Gabriel, and be able to support you on a personal level. We appreciate that. Okay, any other person? Okay. I just want to thank you because I can see we don't have any other queries. I just want to appreciate you for your time and for joining. So until next time, we'll be able to have more of this so that we can be able to engage. Thank you so much and have a lovely afternoon. Thank you.